Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And I'm looking at the wrong coin because in this video we'll talk about sats again. Ordinal sats, one of the biggest BRC20 tokens right now. I don't think it's the biggest. I think Ordi is still the biggest, but I'm not sure. But sats right now has a ridiculous market cap. The volume has dropped down quite a bit, but it's still super high. I mean, sats. It's been hot, and yesterday after the video we got a bearish breakout. All right, so it's interesting to take a look at it right now. Overall, I would actually say it's pretty bearish right now. So the big question is can it recover, right? Or at least I think that's the main question for you. Some of you might be short. In that case, we'll also talk about whether it's likely that sats will drop down lower, because right now. And it's good to start off with the technical structure. And we talked about this yesterday as well. But what you saw after the listing is that sats, it was still bullish. Like it made this consolidation. And what you saw is that from each consolidation here, excuse me for my nose, it got a bullish breakout, consolidated, and rallied higher. And it did that, once, twice, three times. And each time the consolidation here after the breakout got a little bit shorter, which means that it's kind of reaching its final point. So right here, I think it could still get one bullish breakout. And we talked about that as well. But eventually what happened is that we got a bearish breakout. We broke down yesterday morning. We broke down below 8,500, which we talked about. Then it was most likely we would drop down all the way to 6,500, which we did as well. But now the question is can we bounce back, right? So we had that bearish breakout, we had a drop. Well, can we now actually recover, and can we maybe even rally up higher? So that's what we'll talk about. If you look at the situation right now around the momentum of sats, I would say it's not looking amazing. I mean, the open interest right here is practically flat, which is normal because it's the weekend. But with open interest like this, you're not going to get a major bullish breakout, because what sats right now needs to do is it needs to break back above 8,500, which from the current prices is already a gain of about 8-9%. So if it really wants to get higher towards 10,000, and probably 10,500 is the most likely next real price target, it would need to break above 8,500. All right, so it needs to break above that level and then rally up higher towards that level. And at this moment, I mean, just to be honest, this doesn't seem most likely. Bitcoin is not the most bullish crypto. It's the weekend, so most cryptos don't really move. And if you look at sats, like sats could move today. I mean, some coins do move a lot in the weekend. But there's absolutely, at this moment, there's no indication that sats has enough momentum to get a bullish breakout. So that's why I'm telling you, like, this is a possibility, and I would keep my eyes on that open interest to see if maybe it will increase even more. But I would say the open interest needs to be at least around 100 million. Well, right now it's at around 74 million before it's able to get that bullish breakout. For now, I think it's still most likely that it will follow the current market structure, which is bearish. All right, so that it will find resistance here at 77, 8,000, and then it will slowly drop back down towards 6,500. And then after that, down to this level right here at 5,500. I'd say that's most likely given the current circumstances. Now, I'm not bearish on sats. I'm not going to short it. I still think that there's a very high probability it will rally again. I'm just telling you it doesn't look likely right now. And we just got two bearish breakouts. So that's why I'm telling you I think it's most likely that it will continue to drop down. But shorting it, yeah, I mean, it'll be risky. I mean, yeah, it'll be risky. That's not something I would do, at least. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think about sats right now, what I think is most likely, what I think is possible. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. And there you can also find more about my premium and signal group if you're interested in that and if you want to make some money in these markets. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, have a great weekend, and bye.